Corbin?
42.
42.
We got right! Welcome to Corban's Fun Learning Adventures. Hi, welcome to Corban's Fun Adventures and Learning. And today we're going to be doing a car race.
Yes, it's going to be a car race math game. And so what are the rules, Corbin?
If you get the cars to that box first, you win.
Yes, whoever gets the cars to that box first wins. So I'm going to be racing against Corbin. So that's 1 point. And how do you get the next point?
I'm doing a math problem.
By doing a math problem. So we're practicing multiples of what today?
6.
Yes, so we're doing multiples of 6 today. And we're going to use the iPad for what?
Timing for the timer to let us know when we're ready to go.
Right.
Okay.
All right, so I'm going to be Lightning McQueen.
I'm gonna be Cruz.
All right, we're going to get started.
Woohoo!
All right, so we got to get our cars revved up. All right. And Corbin's going to hit the timer on the iPad. And then as soon as it tells us to go, we're going to go.
I won!
Corbin won that one, so Corbin gets 1 point. All right, pick up your math problem. Show him your math problem. So his first math problem will be 6 times 3. And what is it, Corbin? What's 6 times 3?
18.
18. So Corbin gets 2 points.
Okay, let's write it down.
So he has 2 points that round. All right, we'll start the next round. All right, round 2. Oh!
Mommy's car took a turn, and mine went straight diagonal, so I won.
Yeah, Corbin won that round because my car took a turn. So Corbin has to do his math problem, and it is 6 times 7. What's 6 times 7, Corbin?
42.
42.
We got right!
Corbin has an additional 2 points, so 4-0. I gotta catch up. All right, round 3. Start the timer, Corbin. Woo! I won that one!
No, because you started before me.
Well, I started when it said. Okay, so my problem is, guys, 6 times 4, which is 24. So the score is 4-2. Round 4.
Oh!
Okay, I won that one again.
Wait, I don't think so. Let's
I
eat
did.
a
All right,
replay.
All right, so after several replays, we found out that I won that one. So Corbin's gonna pick out my math problem, and hopefully I could tie him up. So right now it's 3-4. Corbin has 4 and I have 3. So what problem are you gonna give me, Corbin?
Close your eyes. 6 times 11.
Okay, 6 times 11 is 66. All right, so we are tied. So the next one is the last round that you guys will see, but we're gonna keep playing. All right, last round. Whoever wins this round wins the game. Ah! Corbin won.
I blocked you. You went on the inside and then you went on the outside and you crossed into me.
All right, so let me give Corbin a math problem.
Okay.
All right, so Corbin's math problem is 6 times 8. What's 6 times 8?
48.
Ah, he won! The score is, what, 6-4. So Corbin won.
I got 6
Yay.
and Mommy got 4. I didn't really win because we're going to keep playing.
Yeah, we'll keep playing, but you guys see the gist of it. So you can do this for any type of math problems, subtraction, addition. So this is just a fun way for kids to practice their math.
Multiplication, division.
Yep. All right, so can you tell them bye and thanks for watching?
Thanks for watching the Corban Fun Adventures.